We're gonna bite into it. In 3, 2, 1, go. That was pretty hot. I can't breathe out.
Hurry up, have some ice cream, dude! This is for you people out there, and thank you for hitting 1,000 subs for Carter, and all you people out there, stay cool and stay fresh. Peace!
Okay, correction, 400 subscribers, not 1,000. I'm not that cool yet. Alright!
So guys, if you don't know what we're doing, Carter and Jaden are doing a hot pepper challenge.
Not a hot pepper, the world's hottest pepper. Right here, world's hottest pepper. We're soaking it. So we need some materials for
Oh yeah.
the recovery,
The
if you know what I'm
hot
saying.
pepper challenge.
I ate a ghost pepper. You know about this, and I couldn't
Yeah.
handle that.
Yeah, and this is hotter than that. Look at that. Look at that, bro.
Oh, those look tasty.
Oh yeah. One of them's darker than the other.
You get the darker one.
Huh?
You get the darker one.
So we're gonna take these outside, and
I'm gonna go kill myself.
we're gonna do that. Let's go. All right, we have the peppers right here. So the person who has them, we're gonna keep them in our mouths because apparently we're not supposed to swallow them.
Yeah, you could probably hurt yourself. If you
Well-
swallow it. I'm imagining it hurt
I mean,
if you swallowed it.
we could try.
So-
And also, we have ice cream right here.
So
So
we chew it, and then when we want to get to the ice cream, do we swallow it or do we spit it out and then get ice cream?
I don't think it's gonna. I think that your question will be answered.
I think I want to spit it out.
okay. All right, grab your pepper. There's like there's a darker one and then there's a lighter one. All right. We're gonna do the countdown. Are you ready?
I swear, if
I'm
you
gonna
fake me out.
I'm gonna
I
watch,
won't. I
guys.
promise, bro. I promise. Here, shake your hands.
Jaden.
I won't fake you out. All right. We're gonna bite into it. In 3, 2, 1, go. This isn't bad so far. It's getting hotter though. The taste, I can't taste it. It's horrible.
Yeah, the taste isn't so great. Keep chewing.
We're not fake. We got it. Oh, he's already going for it.
Keep that on.
What?
Oh, I'm crying right now.
That is pretty hot. That's pretty hot.
How it
That's
feel?
pretty hot.
How's that feel, dude?
It's pretty hot.
Very hot.
Yeah, it's pretty hot. That's pretty hot. I can't breathe out.
Hurry up, have some ice cream, dude! It's hot, isn't it?
Oh, it's hard.
It's hot, isn't it? It's hot, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
How hot is it? How hot is it, dude? How hot is it?
It's hot, Evan. It's hot.
How hot? Jeez, dude. See a bug. You better start eating ice cream, dude.
No, I'm gonna lose. Here, I mean, here I
You already
lost. I know, but
That was so hot.
oh, it's getting worse. It's getting so much worse. My dad's just over there smiling.
It's not funny.
Okay, all right, I'm done.
Okay, you lost. You lost.
He lost first. It gives you like a minute of relief, like maybe
That's why I'm not stopping.
a few seconds. Get on camera, bro. Where's the fuse?
Are your
What's-
sinuses clear yet?
What's the What's the recovery time on these things?
Cornball.
I knew these. Oh,
Okay.
there's a rat on my foot.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, stop eating the ice.
I know.
Save it. Save it.
Have what?
The ice cream.
Ice cream is busy saving us right now.
Mm-hmm.
Does it still feel hot?
Yeah. I still won though.
Yeah. Oh my
No.
god. I congratulate you for how long you lasted.
How does it feel to use that world's hottest pepper?
Freaking horrible.
Horrible? Had to
Let's
do
do it.
it.
400 subscribers. Come on, Jaden, let's run laps.
Why?
Come on.
No.
Come on. Running laps doesn't help.
Yo, he's ice cream.
What?
He's ice cream.
I need,
Dude.
Wait, you don't have your spoon.
I need ice cream.
Sorry, did that running that lap cool down your mouth?
I was hungry.
No, I didn't.
I was hungry, so I knew I had to take a bite.
Maybe we should make it a challenge. Whoever can complete a whole lap first wins.
Oh, God. Ah! I was thinking that might have like got my mind off of things or something. It didn't work. Finish it!
What? You said like,
No, because you're gonna puke it up later.
Okay, now just no more. I just gotta wait.
Now we have to see. Oh, I hate you. Oh, it's coming back. Why won't it go away?
It already is back.
Go away, Daisy.
my mouth is burning because you guys did this weird challenge that it was so dumb.
Oh, the dog's licking up your spit. Can't do it.
Guys, I'm starving to death now.
I don't care. We're dying to death here.
Why couldn't we just stay inside and play games? We normal kids. Sit there and grow mustaches. And go through puberty and play games. No! You need to pick Carolina Reaper.
Well, yeah, 400 subscribers, duh.
It is stop.
Don't do crap for subscribers like this ever.
Yes.
Kid is the perfect example of what not to do with your life. Cody, you got anything to tell? Your 400 subscribers?
This sucks.
A few inches later.
All right, Jaden. What are your thoughts?
Don't need a picking Carolina Reaper.
Huh?
Don't need a Carolina Reaper.
Well, yeah, but was it hot?
No, it's mellow and tasty
Oh yeah,
and delicious.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I
Pow,
get
pow,
it.
pow, 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 pow.
Thank you for 400 subscribers.
Thank you.
I mean, I feel like it's like an intense thing for only 400 subscribers. I'm not complaining about how many I have, but
Yeah, what are you gonna do when you hit 1,000 subscribers?
yeah. How am I gonna up
You need,
this?
like, 5 Carolina Reapers with
Hey,
some
I was gonna say.
sprinkles on it.
Yeah, yeah,
I was gonna
exactly.
say.
But all right, it's still kind of hot. Like honestly, it's still pretty hot in my mouth. It's like I would say it's probably like hot salsa. You know, just the regular hot salsa. That's probably how hot it is in my mouth right now. He has eaten a ghost pepper before. What was the difference between the two?
Well, the ghost pepper, honestly, it lasted longer. That's because I didn't do anything about it. But the Carolina Reaper was definitely worse.
Yeah. So I do have a couple of more left here. About 3 and like a smaller one. Or two and a smaller one. And I think next time one of my friends come over or something like that, like Gavin or Aiden, if any of those guys come over, I'm just gonna say, we did it. They canceled on us. They were planning on coming over to do this challenge with us, but they canceled on us. So next time one of them comes over, if they both come over at the same time, I'm gonna say they're gonna eat it, and it's gonna be in a video. Thank you for 400 subscribers. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you think what my next special should be, like 500 subscribers, what I should do for 500 subscribers, or 1,000 subscribers.
And
Yeah,
make
well, I'm not
sure.
sure what to do to
And make sure.
Yeah, what would be
Just
what would be better than eating the Carolina Reaper?
Just come up with something that could affect our
Health.
health, yeah.
I mean, that kind of did, right?
Pretty sure anything we would do for subscribers, do anything to affect our health.
Yeah, probably. Like, oh, I know. My for my 500 subscriber special, we can shave off over here. All your hair.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, not me, no thank you.
Get a buzz cut again. It's just a big hump on your head. You look so stupid. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.
You're not welcome.
What'd you say?
I said